The next category, premium, is for individuals with slightly more porous and voluminous hair structure than those who opt for the exclusive category, and also for those who care about the price. These are donor hair, not mixed with other strands, also only from one donor. The term of their wearing is not limited. There are no short hairs here. Hair is combed 15 centimeters, like all our hair. Premium hair is not chemically treated and silicone-free. Premium hair differs in structure depending on whether you need wavy or straight hair. The initial category is straight hair known as smooth hair, which is the first type of hair texture. For individuals who possess a smooth hair structure, characterized by light porosity and fluffiness. Hair is a bit denser than the exclusive category, but it is just as soft in terms of texture. The hair that follows exhibits a subtle wave pattern and is not excessively wavy. There is a slight waviness. They have a cost that is democratic and affordable for all. Hair is soft when dried naturally with a slight wave. The third type is wavy hair, also known as baby hair. For individuals who have wavy hair characterized by a light porosity level and a tendency towards fluffiness in their hair texture. And another type is wavy and soft hair, baby and soft hair, which is characterized by its wavy texture and softness, extremely fine wavy hair strands, silk and soft in structure. We also have a category at a more democratic price, particularly if you don't need much length while building up. You can choose hair with a single comb for convenience.
Single drawn.
Price for this hair is lower than for our other categories, but that doesn't mean poor quality. Our product of any category meets the highest quality standards. They differ exactly in the quantity of short hairs. The solitary drone will possess a greater thickness at the bottom of the tail and lesser at the ends. If your client desires to save money and his request permits the utilization of such hair, then with this hair category, you can also attain outstanding outcomes. Now it will be more convenient for you to select hair that is a perfect match for your requirements or the requirements of your client. By the way, if you haven't ordered hair from us yet, you have a chance to buy the first ponytail with a 20% discount.